Hello everyone, my name is Gunilla and I will be your instructor today. Today we're gonna do a standing leg series using a bar or a chair or something we can hold on to really create that extra support. We're gonna make it beginner friendly, so we're just gonna use our own body weight, no equipment needed, and make it a really good flow. So let's just all get into it. Let's just stand in front of the bar, in front of the chair, in front of whatever you have available for you that is around a bit above hip height. Let's bring our shoulders back and down away from the ears. We're going to take a deep breath in, and on an exhale, we're going to extend that left leg back behind us. We inhale, bring the leg in, bend that left knee in. Exhale, extend it out, upper body bend slightly forward. So we're going to keep a slight bend in the right knee, the leg we're standing on, as we're extending that left leg back behind us. Try and keep the hips pointing forward. Really enjoy the view. Enjoy that mirror, the bar, whatever you have in front of you. We inhale as we bend that knee in. Exhale as we extend it out. Really good. We have 5 more. Deep breath in. Exhale it out. So it's really good for the glute. It's really good for the core. Really tuck that belly button in as we extend that left leg out. We don't want it to go in our lower back. We really want to make sure that we're hitting the glute and the core here. On the next one, we're going to keep that left leg back. We're going to make some small pulses here. So really tuck that belly button in. Keep those hips pointing forward and down. So the left toe is pointing down for 4. Shoulders are down away from the ears. 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to lower all the way down. Exhale, lift it up. So we're only lifting to hip height here. We inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. If you want to challenge yourself a little extra, really imagine that you have a lot of resistance as we're lifting up. We inhale as we lower. Exhale as we lift. Really good. Last 5, 4. Beautiful. On the next one, we're going to keep it lifted. We're going to make some small circles. So really imagine that we're drawing some small circles with that left toe here. Squeezing those inner thighs for 5. Keep those shoulders down and away from the ears. Last 2. And opposite direction. Deep breath in. Really feel that movement from the core here. We're really drawing those small circles for 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to bend that left knee in. Open up that hip. Exhale, extend it back, close the hip. So we inhale, open the hip, bring that left knee towards that left elbow. Exhale, extend it out. Inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, extend it out. Really good. Inhale, bend that knee in. Exhale, extend it out. So almost imagine that we're pushing something away from us with that left leg as we extend that left leg all the way back behind us, pushing something away from us. Really good. We inhale as we bend the knee in. Exhale as we extend it back. Belly button is tucked in. Last 4. Beautiful. 2. On the next one, we're going to keep that hip open. We're going to inhale, extend it back. Exhale, bend it in. So really keep the hip open. We can also go down on our right shoulder here. We want to keep it open. We're going to keep that slight bend in the right knee. From here, try and only bend into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it back. Into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it back. Really good. Inhale into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it back. Last 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to keep that knee bended. We're going to lower it down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, lower it down. Exhale, lift it up. So really imagine we're squeezing all the air out of an invisible Pilates ball as we're lowering that left knee down. And imagine that there's a lot of heavy weight on top of that left leg as we're lifting it up. Really good. We inhale, lower it down. Exhale, lift it up. Last 4, 3, 2. On the next one, keep it up. Small pulses. Yes, for 8. Beautiful. You might be feeling it a lot in the right glute. That is totally normal. For 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to make some small circles here for 8. Beautiful. Keep that knee slightly bended. Really imagine we're squeezing the inner thighs for 2. And opposite direction. Keep those shoulders down away from the ears. Keep that belly button tucked in for 3, 2. Last one. And lower it down. Shake it out. Really good job. Whew. And we have 2 sides. So let's move into the other side. Beautiful. So hands are on the bar, the chair, whatever you have in front of you. A feet out. Slight bend in the knees. We take a deep breath in. Roll those shoulders down and away from the ears. And on an exhale, we're going to extend the right leg back. We inhale, bend that knee in. Exhale, extend that right leg back. So really try and keep that right toe pointing down towards the ground. So really keep those hips steady and stable. We inhale as we bend it in. Exhale as we extend it out. Belly button is tucked in. Imagine we have a lot of weight on top of that right leg and a lot of resistance as we're pulling that right knee back in. We're keeping that slight bend in the left knee as we bring that right leg back. Belly button is tucked in to really support that lower back here. Shoulders are down and away from the ears. Really good. Last 2. On the next one, going to keep that right leg back. Small pulses. Belly button is tucked in. We really want to move from the glute here, from the core. Really good. For 5. Keep the shoulders down away from the ears. Last 2. On the next one, we're going to lower it down. Exhale, lift it up. Lower it down. Lift it up. So we inhale as we lower it down. Exhale as we lift it up. Really good. Beautiful. For 4, 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to keep it lifted. Move into those small circles. Really squeeze those inner thighs together. Keep those hips pointing forward and down for 3, 2. Shoulders are down away from the ears. Last one. Opposite direction. Beautiful. For 8. Deep breath in. Last 4, 3, 2. On the next one, we're going to open up the hip. Bring that right knee towards the right elbow. Exhale, extend it back close to hip. So we inhale, open up the hip. Bring that right leg forward. Exhale, pull it back. Inhale, bring that right knee towards the right elbow. Exhale, pull that right leg all the way back behind us. Hips pointing down. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, push it back. Inhale, bring that right knee towards the right elbow. Exhale, pull it back. Inhale, bring the knee towards the elbow. Exhale, extend it back. Beautiful. On the next one, we're going to bend the knee into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it back. Keep the hip open. Knee goes into a 90-degree angle. Open it up. We can always go down on that left elbow here for extra support. Keep that slight bend in the left knee. We don't want to overextend. Shoulder stays down. We're bending that right knee into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it out. Bend it into a 90-degree angle. Exhale, extend it back. Really good. Last 4, 3. On the next one, we're going to keep those hips open. We're gonna squeeze the inner thighs together. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, imagine we're squeezing all the air out of an invisible Pilates ball that's in between the inner thighs, as well as imagining a lot of heavy weight on top of that right leg. Really good. So we inhale as we press it in. Exhale as we open it back up. Really good. Last 4. Beautiful. On the next one, keep it up. Small pulses for 8. And from here, we're going to move into some small circles. Deep breath in. We're almost there. Last 5. 2. Opposite direction. This is the finish line, guys. We can do it for 3, 2. Last one. And lower it down. Shake it out. Amazing. That was all for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.